Who likes pass the parcel? Probably quite a few people. Who likes to pass the really dangerous parcel? Probably nobody. This is a electric bike battery from you know, an e-bike I bought recently off eBay. And you know, I was thinking, what's inside this thing? Hopefully it's lithium iron phosphate or something like that. I've not had a proper look. We've got the BMS inside here. That's all very well and good. There was layers upon layers of duct tape on the outside. There's this foam here to sort of somewhat protect it. So what cells is it using and how they've been put together? Yep, that is hot glue, folks. Hot glue. Cells are totally unbranded from what I can tell. I don't know if they're 186. I think they are 18650s. I think they're the ones that are meant for flashlights and things on eBay, aka ultrafire or similar. These are known for being, how do I put this, terrible. Yeah, so this whole thing is just held together with hot glue and spot welded together. You can just about see the spot welding there, and there is no let's get a positive terminal. Ooh. Yeah, so there's the end of your positive terminal, and I don't know, I suppose inside there is an inner protection ring kind of, but there's just nothing else. There's just literally the nickel strip sitting on top of the cell itself, the sharp edges. And of course the outer can of the battery, the cell rather, is negative and the centre core is positive. So if that was to touch together, you'd have a short circuit. And of course if one goes, the whole lot's going to go. So that's a pretty scary thing, to be totally honest. And they're hot glued together as well. So the other thing is there's no separators, so you can essentially have the outer cans short together and current flow between them, and that can cause a short circuit as well. So it's just literally that layer of plastic on there, nothing else. So this thing is horrendous. There is a fuse at least, don't know what it's rated at. There's a BMS in here, charge ports there, it's like an IEC connector, there's hot glued in there. It is in like a protective bag thing, but yeah, the more I look at it, the more I the more I think, holy crap. At least it's got a BMS, I suppose. And it looks somewhat solid, like from the outside and everything. It all looks solid, but I'm thinking one small impact, and that's just going to cause a short circuit in there somewhere. I mean, it's really not boding well when the actual outer part of the battery. No, it's just glue. Okay. I don't even want to be poking around with that, to be totally honest. I pulled apart some stuff in my time, but that's... I don't know, maybe there is a protection ring built. Yeah. There is a protection ring, but there's no other real protection in there. That concludes this video on this battery. Thank you for watching. Have a safe one. And you're worried about certain things happening at the moment, buy one of these, because you know you're far more likely to become a cropper if you have this than if you get a certain virus that's around at the moment. Yeah. Yeah, riding this e-bike, you definitely have more than a 4% chance of dying, I would have thought. That concludes this video.